Okay, hello everyone, this is Zach here. Okay, just want to do a quick sound check. Is my sounds coming okay? All right, I hope my sound is okay. Okay, can get my Facebook page up. Okay, sorry, just give me 1 more minute and we're gonna start shortly, okay? Okay, so for those that who are here, appreciate can type a 1 for me. All right, sounds okay. Thank you, Ruku. Yeah, I think I got some difficulty to access to my the other account, so I cannot see your comment. Okay. Let me think. What can I do from here? Okay, that might fine. Okay, if not, I'm just going to go into the other page for your review. Okay, so maybe well, since I can access to your comment right now, I'm going to look into some of the stocks that is active today. Okay, then later on we go into some trade signal too. Okay, so let's say we're going to do another review again for some of the pullback stock that we do talk about. All right, we do talk about the other day, and okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, this is the view. Okay, so well, first of all, let's look into success. Okay, so success right now still okay. It didn't make a very nice so-called continuation of pullback yet. So far so good. Okay, low volume, but of course currently is still 9:30. It's still in the beginning hour over here. Now before I proceed further, just want to do a quick so-called disclaimer here. First of all, I'm not here to do any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stock based on our discussion here in this video here, make sure you got your own trading plan, right? So if not, make sure you got your own so-called get advice from professionals. So like I always do, I always have my so-called support resistance in place to make sure that I protect or maybe any things that goes wrong, I know what should I do. Okay. So all right. Well, I'm not sure why I still can't get my Facebook up here. Probably because my line is not that great. Okay, so I cannot see your comment at the moment. So all right, let's say I will go into some of the stocks that we do talk about last week when the stock is doing a pullback. Okay, so first of all, if you have followed my Telegram, I think this six stock I posted in my Telegram, Facebook, or in my Momo account as well. For those that who don't know, and if you have Momo account, you can actually follow me as well in Momo account. So sometimes I will have a different content and discussion in Momo too. So first of all, this is Panda, right? So Panda making a nice pullback. Yep, here looks like a nice wash as well. Okay, this is what we call a shakeout. So today actually holding well. For me, it didn't really change a lot. Okay, in terms of setup compared to last week. This is a pullback complete candle. Okay, so this is where we think that well is nice. Okay, and subsequently this is the area that actually form a very nice opportunity. Now today actually goes out a little bit volume. Like I say, it's still in the beginning first hour here, so we still haven't really can tell is this a continuation volume. Okay, but so far so good for me. No complaint. Okay, just that uh, I think the setup everything is still kind of solid. Okay, overall for Panda. Now this is one that I chose the other day. Okay, so among these six stocks, I only can choose one. Okay, so I choose. Actually, I want to choose MTEC. Okay, MTEC actually slightly nicer for me in my opinion, but unfortunately by the time when I enter, they're actually very close with the slightly close with resistance. So that's why in the end I just go for MTEC. Okay, so MTEC as well, this is a nice small gap here, and look at that, this is like a lots of so-called hammer and wash, okay, happening here too. Okay, so price also pushing back to 2040s. Okay, this is the one that they are crossing back, and as long as for me they are holding above 2040, still fine overall. Okay, so again this is S1. Okay, so this is S1 area. This is also like a previous nice support area is building around this place too. So probably like I say, this is my trading plan at the moment. Okay, so the other day I entered, I think 670, if I'm not mistaken, 660. I tried to enter 660 on this candle on Thursday, but didn't get. Okay, so I have to queue slightly higher. Okay, So hopefully we will see a retest back to, you know, the hopefully around this area here. All right, the next main resistance. Okay, so there's quick one for CLOUDPT. Let's go into MTEC. MTEC I think slightly closer to resistance already. Oh yeah, it's actually a resistance. So that's why the other day I didn't really go for it. Okay, so okay, over here. Okay, so seems like resistance rejected lah. Now trying to go a little bit lower. Okay, a little bit lower. So if let's say for example, price drop back, okay, hit the 20 MA, volume remains to be low. Okay, I think this one also good to look into as well. Okay, so maybe we'll first attempt, second attempt, drop a little bit before they make a nice movement here. Okay, so there's MTEC for me as well. I don't see any major weakness yet. The trade setup so far still good for me. Just that yeah, they are very close with current resistance at the moment. Okay, so there's quick one for MTEC. Okay, I still cannot see my comments here. Okay, so Icon. Okay, so if you got any other stock you want me to review, okay, do comment below. I will check that out. Then I will look for I will review shortly. Okay, so Icon very interesting. Okay, there's a big weakness actually at resistance, but at the same time, I think at least if you want to try to play around with support resistance, there's still a little bit of opportunity. Okay, so why? Here actually is like a nice support area with a shakeout. Notice here this is like a gap down area. Okay, and then they're pushing back. Okay, but at the same time, this is like a very weird so-called shooting star, high volume, right? But here actually it tested well, support, pushing back with high volume. Okay, and now looks like they are still kind of like sideways in this range around the 40 MA area. So if let's say volumes remains still below, I think is still fine. Okay, like I say, probably you want to try out, you know, to play along with the support resistance range. Okay, so but this is a big resistance, I have to admit. Okay, this is a big resistance that probably you need to so-called look into. Okay, so-called look into. So here, enter from here, I think it still give you around 10%. A good area to focus on so-called partial profits. Okay, I do have HWATAI. I think HWATAI so far is the one that actually didn't do that well. Okay, the rest actually goes up a little bit, but so HWATAI actually break the immediate support the other day. So when I posted out, this is the immediate support S1. They break, going back to previous support area. Okay, but if you ask me, I don't think this is a big weakness. Okay, because the background everything is still in a very nice so-called accumulation. Okay, just that yeah, maybe they needed some time or maybe a wash before they try to break above. Okay, so here definitely is a big resistance again. Okay, so that's why you got a long shadow here. Okay, 3 shadow actually, you know, a shooting star candle, but lucky volume is not that high. So yeah, a deeper pullback. Okay, before we try. Okay, of course I'm not going to look for so-called opportunity to enter right now, right? So I think best is that they have this kind of hammer against. Okay, they got this kind of hammer again into this 40 MA area, right? So this is a type of so-called deeper pullback setups, you know, with a hammer that, you know, probably we can watch and look into. All right, so there's quick one for HWATAI. The other one is MUHIBBAH. I think MUHIBBAH also going slightly closer to the resistance. Am I right? Okay, MUHIBBAH is the only one that I didn't really follow closely. Okay, the rest are PANDA, CLOUDPT, MTEC, Icon also I'm following, but not that much. HWATAI also I'm following. Okay, so MUHIBBAH. Okay, again high volume here. Okay, like a hammer candles. Okay, yeah, my thing up's ready. Let me see. Okay, so going up, yeah, now it's actually very close with resistance. Okay, so I'm not sure you want to take it or not. So here is a upper shadow area. So this is a resistance zone that you want to look up. Okay, so yeah, there's 6 stocks that we posted. Okay, based on last week pullback. Okay, hello Wong. Fly, okay, I QKSL this morning, didn't get. Okay, VS, okay, I look into VS. Sorry, I have to come to this page to see your comment, okay, because I cannot get my the other device up. I think recently DG the line is very bad. I'm not sure whether you're experiencing this or not, but I feel that my line is definitely very, very slow. Okay, but it's fine. For those that who are here, once again, thank you for joining me. I'm not sure how many people here. Okay, I got 21. Okay, thank you very much. So if you are here, okay, first of all, appreciate if you can hit the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. All right. So if you think that my section here is helpful for you, benefit for you, yes, do share it to your friend. Okay. So all right, I will look into VS. Okay, do comment below also. Okay, any other stocks that you want me to look into? Probably just want to review few more counters. Then before I go through your stock, then we can actually end how this every morning, like quick update section. Okay. Now this is the one that actually I also again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, but I just want to share with you. Okay. I actually entered this also on Friday. Okay, because I do see, but closing price on Friday slightly a bit disappointing. I have to say that. I thought it was going to close at least 485. Okay, 485. Okay, but it closed around 480. Okay, but this morning I think openings still pretty good. Okay, for me, as long as the price is above 40 MA, still got a chance. Okay, still got a chance. Now, let me share you the reasons why I entered for this. Okay, again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, but just want to share with you the setup for this and why I choose this over the others. Okay, so first of all, this is a long period of like a sideway, okay, accumulation over here. Okay, so if you look into here, any actually there are few counters is doing this. Okay, even though this is IPO counters. Okay, the other one that I'm still holding Wangtel. Okay, going to have lots of patience this area here. I think Zantat. Okay, Zanta also I'm still holding, but I'm thinking whether I want to switch some stocks or not because currently only small losses. Okay, but because the reasons why I'm thinking to switch is that I'm afraid they will sideway like this. Okay, sideway like this sometimes it can took you around like 5 months. Okay, which is pretty long for me. Okay, MTEC. Okay, MTEC. But I think MTEC not really consider that. Bangtel probably yes. Okay, so break above with high volume. Okay, at the top. Not much of the so-called sound weakness. Yes, there's a shooting star here, but volume is high, but it's not that climatic. Okay, so for me it's still okay. Right, price drop hits the previous resistance, which is the new support right now. Overall low volume, and I got a hammer here. Okay, so my hammer here also will serve me as a immediate support at this moment. Okay, so I hope that here rebounded, hit my R1 because I think the risk reward right now is pretty fantastic. Okay, if you ask me, yeah, this is the area that I will consider to at least take my partial profit. So let's say hit here because my entry is 485. Well, I think slightly over 10%. Okay, for my first TP area. Okay, so there's reasons why I look for this entry opportunity. So hopefully, yeah, today make a strong closing. Okay, hopefully today make a strong closing. I actually expecting them to at least close 490. Let's see how it goes. So okay, the other one, this is definitely a bit disappointing. But like I say, if you have following how Telegram, okay, how Telegram. I hope you didn't enter somewhere around here. Like I said, always follow your trading plan. Always look into your risk to reward. But if you have followed my Telegram, I think we have started to talk about Epicon again, right? The second round, I think around this area and this area. Okay, my average is around 4.3 something. So last week, when I exit this counter, okay, actually I didn't make losses. Okay, just enough to cover all my fees, but a bit, of course, a bit painful also because I can get 10%, but in the end didn't get anything because I tried to queue. I think early morning I tried to queue, but having a meeting. But after that, when I see it's already dropped until 4.7 something or 4.6 something. Okay, so in the end 4.40, I feel that yeah, it's not right. High volume some more. That's why I just exit from the trades. Okay, so yeah, that's quick one for Epicon. Okay, let's into some others. Okay, successfully closed. Okay, above the resistance. Okay, I kind of like it, to be frank. Today start to pull back. Okay, but I think it's fine. Okay, still low volume. Hopefully it remains low volume towards the end. Okay, so this is the one that yeah is still okay for me. All right. The other one is Fiamma. Fiamma opening also not bad. Okay, even though on Thursday we do see that is a shooting star candle. Okay, but like I said, right, this is okay, so this is the one that like this. Okay, if let's say you got shooting star, okay, similar like hammer also lah. Normally, if you, let's say you go see shooting star, right? If let's say the next few days you actually traded above, okay, for me this is still fine, okay, because there's still support coming in. But if let's say traded below, okay, now this is a bit risky. Okay, the second thing is that you have to look into where this shooting star appeared. Okay, if let's say something like that happened at the top, all-time high, then I'll be afraid also, because maybe sometimes they will do a distribution or at least a deep pullback. Okay, but if let's say they're coming from stage one accumulation, right? Stage one accumulation. Normally because there is a previous sellers, they are trying to sell it. Okay, but maybe there's still a new group of operator, they try to push it. Okay, but Fiamma for me overall they are still in accumulation. So that's why even though the day got shooting star, yes, slightly disappointing, but I think that probably I want to watch out for a few more days. So well, let's see how it closed today. So I hope that it remain above the gaps, okay, for this counter here. All right. Okay, do let me know any stocks that you want me to look into. Like I said, just want to go through. Okay, very quiet today. Okay, or maybe the market is quiet. Okay, so far I only got yen VS. Okay, let's look into VS. If not, I go into my trade signal, then we'll end our section. Okay, so VS. Okay, VS is a nice reversal setup here. Short-term reversal, long-term shakeout. Okay, short-term reversal, long-term shakeout. So not sure yen you are looking for long-term, short-term. Okay, but if you are looking for long-term, let's see based on weekly chart. Weekly chart wise, okay, this is like a shakeout for me already. Let me just put it slightly bold a bit. Okay, we got one area here, 2, 3. Okay, pushing back with high volume. Okay, so looks like they got chance, okay, to retest around the resistance. Okay, now it's 90 over cents to 1 ringgit. So 10%, 10% of range. Okay, if let's say you want to aim for it. All right, so if let's say long term, I think, yeah, because I kind of feel that they are currently doing a nice accumulation still. Reaccumulation goes up, reaccumulation sideways. Okay, a bit similar to Dufu also. Let's look into Dufu. Dufu. But Dufu shakeout completed and breakup already today. Okay. Wow. Okay, breakup already. Wong, do you manage to get Dufu? I think you are the one, right? Say that want to enter Dufu, right? This one break from accumulations already. Okay, I'm not sure whether VS will follow or not. Okay, but looks like they got kind of similar. They do shake out reaccumulation. Hopefully you will follow by a breakup. Okay, so next one, Dufu. Okay, let's look into P metal. Okay, P metal hit 20 MA already. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Okay, looks like resting at the pierce resistance. Okay, resting at pierce resistance. Okay, looking good as well for P metal. Okay, any other stock we want me to look into? Okay, very quiet now today. Oh, okay, yeah, I think I have more comments over here. Okay, JF yes, JF yeah, I think someone commented JF also. Theta, okay. Theta last week also pullback complete, but this morning I think opening still quite fine. Okay, let's go into Theta. Okay, pullback completes. Okay, this is pullback complete for me. Goes up, low volume. This is high volume, up bar. Okay, so today, as long as for me, it still hold above S1. Okay, it still hold above S1. I think the pullback setup still kind of valid. Okay, so for example, this round over here, right? Drop, pullback completed, increasing volume. So sometimes it will take few days, sideways test around the area before they try to break the resistance. Okay, so here I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure, but as long as I say it's still above the S1, the pullback zone, I think still fine. Okay, I think still fine for Theta. Again, not doing any buy and sell call. Not doing any buy and sell call. I just want to share with you what I think overall. Okay, and how I actually apply it. Okay, so okay, JF still respecting this line. Okay, volume slightly increasing on the up bar. All right, so this is let's say weekly chart. Oh, weekly chart actually this is a nice trend. Okay, somewhere around here, this trend line. Respecting very well. Okay. Of course, I yet to see any strong momentum yet for JFTech. This is weekly chart. Okay, trend line for weekly looks good, but just that it's still haven't shown a very strong momentum. It's still haven't shown a strong momentum. So if you are so-called looking for long-term, I think yes, it's good because weekly trend slowly it is going up. Okay, right now they are trying to cross back to 2040s. Okay, volume as support over here. Okay, on up bar also showing some sort like a increasing candle. Okay, so I think overall, yeah, there is a opportunity to look for it. Okay, I think long term wise, not bad. Okay, I think long term not bad. Okay, so let's look into analyzer. Okay, my FATA score 4 out of 9. Okay lah, not too bad. Okay, still in under moderates. Of course, TA wise it's not that great overall. Okay, because weekly charts they still haven't complete the reversal yet. All right. So if you are looking for long term, yes there's long term. If you are looking for short term, maybe R2, you can aim for that. R2 is a resistance around 98 cents area. Okay, the other area that you can focus maybe somewhere around here. 106 area. Okay, 106 area. So there's an area that actually you can so-called look into. Okay, if you are looking for GF time. Okay, any other stocks you got any other stocks that you want me to look into? Okay, HWATAI still under shakeout, right? Okay, HWATAI. Okay, if not, I go to my trade signal. Let's say you want me to go to trade signal. Okay, comment 1 below. Okay, HWATAI. Yeah lah, nothing much today. Volume still okay, but now it's the first hour. Sometimes volume in the morning is good, but throughout the day it's boring one. Like HM also. Sometimes 1 hour got volume, but the rest of the day no volume one. Okay, but for me this is still under shakeout. Okay, if you want to enter, I think it's fine. Okay, you can use here as a main support, the S2 as a main support. Okay, but of course, if you want to have momentum, normally I want to see a shakeout complete, so that at least they got chance to retest around the resistance zone. All right, so if let's say I do see a shakeout complete, I will share the other one that I think I posted out this morning is KJTS. This is also a shakeout complete stocks. Okay, this morning here still very close to resistance. I'm not sure whether they will retest back to support or not. Okay, but let's say they retest back to this support, I will look for re-entry opportunity again. I think previously I traded once, okay, somewhere around this area here, but after the break support, I exit with losses. Okay, now it looks like they're coming back already. Okay, probably I will watch out for this. Okay, KJTS. Okay, any other stocks? If not, probably I go to my trade signal. Okay, let's look into my trade signal. I got anything new? Okay, tech cycle. Wow, this one still got momentum. Masih boleh like SNS also lah. Okay, look. Oh yeah, someone comment about SNS. Okay, let's into SNS. This one also I think anytime will jalan Top no weakness. Okay, of course the risk reward not so ideal. So again, probably if you want to check on this kind of momentum, you need to watch your stop loss. Okay, our land coming back. Okay, not too bad. Looks like a shakeout with hammer here as well. Okay, OCK. Oh, is OCK quite nice, OCK high volume here. I think this one, yes, not at R1. Anytime can break already. KGB. KGB is a shakeout. Okay. Wow. KGB and OCK chart quite familiar, quite similar. Okay, this one I think also currently at the main resistance. Okay, I think got chance because they are doing this shakeout here. Okay, they are doing this shakeout over here. Okay, so shakeout, pushing back high volume. Okay, looks like can break a bit similar OCK as well, based on my pullback signals. Okay, so here main resistance. Okay, here got no shakeout, but there's like a hammer things. Okay, lots of like a small tail at the support level. Okay, so this is also like a shakeout activity as well. Okay, let's look for other GCB. Okay, wow, this one also breaking up already. GCB go up because of the cocoa price, right? If I'm mistaken. Okay, MPHB Capital. But this one a bit illiquid. YTL power lagi. Wow, okay. Soal jalan lah. Okay, SKB short. SKB short, okay, still in accumulation. Okay, MN holding. This one also got a shakeout. This one also got a shakeout here. Reaccumulations too. Okay, let me open up. Shakeout, okay, hammer. Okay, here will be your resistance. Okay, so very close right now, but okay, I think that they got a good volume, okay, and chance to make a follow through from here. Okay, any other iconic? Okay, tak apa lah, this one. SDS. Okay, SDS. Oh, this one also shake out. This one also a big shake out lah. Okay, here. Okay, looks like got lots of shake out in reaccumulation. Well call. Okay, well call pushing back with volume. Okay, reversal patterns. Dashin. Okay, probably I take few more. I think I like QES. Okay, from here. Notion. MSC. Okay, any others? Hey, me coming also. Okay, me like I said, I wait for the shakeout complete. Any others? Any others? Salute. Okay, Salutica. Okay. Okay, this few, then we will end our section. Okay. So, all right, let's go into QES. Okay, yeah, sorry, before that, well call. Okay, well call. This is like a reversal for me. Okay, a big volume with hammer. Looks like coming back into this area. Okay, so if let's say we test later on the 2040 MA, I think it's good. Look into well call. Let's look into QES. This one better. Okay, QES I think quite straightforward. Resistance here, support. Okay, resistance support. Okay, so again, you want to check out what is your so-called potential risk to reward. Okay, before look for this trade. I think they are holding well at the moment around the support area, 2040s. Okay, got a little bit of pullbacks happening as well for QES. Okay, Notion. This one cantik. This one cantik. Okay, this one cantik. I think I like this. Okay, I think I like this. Okay, gap up, retest. Okay, if you look into this, right, it's very similar with like Powell success. Okay, so here it actually break. Of course, yep, it make a deep pullback back to the previous zone, but today pushing it back. So if today remain above 535, okay, 535, I think there will be a continuation. Again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, but so far among all, I like this. Okay, I like this. Okay, pull back with low volume. Okay, let's see here. Pull back, low volume. Okay, today of course, if let's say volume increase, which means that this is a pullback complete setup. Okay. Let me write down. Okay, Notion, kind of like that. Okay, MSC. Let's do the MSC. MSC. Okay, one thing about MSC is that this candle high volume, shooting star, high volume. Of course, not to say it cannot go up. It still can go up, but sometimes because of this kind of candles, right, it will take a little bit time to go up. So in this case, we'll probably look for something that showing less resistance. Like for example, Notion. Okay, for example, less resistance. Okay, let's look into me Technovation. Got any shakeout or not? Because me actually at the main resistance, so that's why a little bit hard for them. Yeah, still tak boleh lah. Okay, never mind lah. Wait for the shakeout to complete lah. Okay, last one, Salutica. I will look into your stock as well if let's say got any. This one also in a long period accumulation. Of course, going to wait lah. Going to wait. So here, okay, a big shakeout. Okay, of course, immediate resistance. You can actually refer to the auto zone here. Okay, a bit similar like HWATAI also. So you're going to cross this to have a big momentum, but a nice accumulation stocks. So okay, Salutica, let's see whether the FA is good or not. Okay, slightly better. Okay, slightly better. 5 out of 9. Okay, can consider, let's say I want to buy on hold. Okay, probably want to check whether got dividend or not. Okay, but again, not doing any buy and sell call. I just want to share with you. I think overall, this is a very nice stocks. Okay, that building accumulation. Okay, yeah, I got MSM. Okay, probably I will look into MSM, MYEG, and SNS. So, yeah, SNS. Let's look into SNS. SNS cross R1 this morning I saw. Okay, this one for me is a bit similar like success lah. So momentum on the left hand side, pullback. Okay, actually last Friday I missed lah. I didn't really follow SNS a lot because a lot of people talk about it. But if let's say I saw this volume here, I think I would like it. Okay, Friday actually I didn't follow because Friday, to be frank, there's few appointments, so I'll be busy. But this is a high volume candle. Okay, with a bar. Okay, so again, representing a pullback complete in this area here. So today is a continuation. For those who are asking, I'm not sure you are looking for entry opportunity or exit opportunity. Entry opportunity right now, your risk to reward is not that great anymore. Okay, probably you can do something like I'm not sure. Probably you can wait something like Notion, right? They break, or maybe like Success today. Okay, they break the resistance. Okay, do a little bit of pullback to the previous. Because currently this is the resistance area, right? So maybe it will break, okay, retest back. Okay, so this is the area that you want to look for a low risk opportunity. Okay, but of course, right now at this moment, I don't see any weakness. Okay, for SNS chart. All right, so let's look into MSM. Okay, MSM. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. I think MSM. Okay, this one run a lot already almost 300% from here. But based on chart, I don't see any weakness, and I think maybe they can still go a little bit more. Okay, they can maybe still can go a little bit more because it's going up slow and steady. Okay, at the top I don't see resistance. Today remains low volume with a pullback completes in the background. Okay, so there's SMS. Okay, last one, MIAG. Okay, the other day, I think last week we were making big candles, right? Okay, completed a big shakeout. Okay, so maybe like I said, this need to look into weekly chart already. Okay, they actually completed a big shakeout. Okay, a big shakeout. This is 1 year of shakeout. Okay, so next resistance, main resistance around this area. All right, so for me, as long as they are still above this, what is this price? 87. Okay, they are still above 87. I think they still got a chance to retry. Okay, on this resistance over here, 105. But not that much. Okay, maybe 20%. I think still good. Okay, so all right, this is overall a quick updates for this morning. Okay, so again, do make sure follow our Telegram. Okay, for more updated or maybe latest chat discussion. So for those who don't know, okay, we actually have this so-called campaign. Okay, refer a friend campaigns. All right, so if you like our XIFU app, share with your friends. Once you recommend 10 friends, make sure to key in your code. So once you share to 10 friends, you will get a 50 ringgit voucher from XIFU. Okay. Last one, GHL. Okay, before we close. Okay, GHL system. Okay, let's go back to my daily. Okay, strong breakup, almost reaching the main resistance. Of course, looking for entry right now is not ideal. Probably I'll wait for maybe another pullbacks or not, because if I can see, this is the support area. Okay. Next support area lah. So here we do have like a support turns to resistance. Maybe we test somewhere around here. So if you are looking for entry, the next low risk entry probably is somewhere around this area. But at the moment, if you already entered it at the moment, I don't see any weakness. Planning for long time thing is good because this is a very high volume reversal kind of patterns like Shangri-La as well. So I think, yeah, the trend, everything's still healthy. But I do expect a little bit pullback because this one showed up too much already. Maybe a drop here. Okay, I'm not sure because May usually they say it's a sideways market or bearish market. So maybe you need to expect that also. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here. Well, I will see you next section. And let's say tomorrow I got time also, I will continue to do this 9:30 morning section. All right, thank you, and I'll see you soon.